All right. Today we're going to talk about a little thing I used to do when I was in the shop. Anytime I would bring in a vehicle and it would stay overnight in the bay, I would always put a maintainer on the battery charger and I would leave it overnight. Um, you know, it was kind of funny. Sometimes you would have a unit in your bay for 2 or 3 days or a week if you were doing like an overhaul. And nothing's more frustrating than you're ready to go, and for some reason you say have a parasitic draw because the customer has something installed and you don't know, and the batteries are dead. Now you're going to have to wait, I don't know, an hour or two before you can try to do it because you don't want to fry the computers or you don't want to burn up a starter. So one thing that I recommend is if you have a vehicle and if you know you're going to be done with it the next day, or even during the day, as you're working on it, if you can put a maintainer on it, battery maintainer, it's always a good idea to get them batteries fresh, freshen them up. Um, so anyway, that's tech tip of the day for a shop bay guy. Have a car in the bay. Heck, if it's even going to be in there for half a day, man. I mean, how many times, and it doesn't happen a whole lot, but it seems like when it happens, it just ruins your day. You're ready to get done with the vehicle. You're ready to get it out of there, get your next ticket, and don't start, or cranks real slow, and now you got to figure out why it's doing it. And at least if you put the maintainer, you've done everything for the system, you can call the customer and tell them, hey, you got a problem, either starter or bad battery or whatever. And we're going to be doing another video talking about maintainers. This one I just got, it's Optima maintainer. Um, gonna play with it a little bit, and then we're gonna do some videos on it. Keep an eye out for it. But there's a tip of the day. Thanks for watching.